We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the VOLISUN outdoor stair lights. 12-pack, solar step lights, waterproof IP67, 80 lumen, LED step light outdoor for garden, backyard, stair, front door, porch and deck in warm white. If you own these lights, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The VOLISUN outdoor stair lights are designed to deliver both style and safety for any outdoor space. With a focus on functionality, these solar-powered step lights promise to illuminate each step with a bright, warm white glow, significantly reducing the risk of accidents or falls. Their sleek triangular form is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, allowing the lights to fit seamlessly into the corners of stairs and other outdoor features without creating a tripping hazard. Each unit boasts 13 LEDs and delivers up to 80 lumens of brightness, powered by an 800 mAh battery that charges fully in about 5 hours of direct sunlight. Once charged, the lights provide up to 8 hours of continuous illumination, making them suitable for dusk to dawn operation in most conditions. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the VOLISUN stair lights is their brightness and the quality of the light they emit. Users consistently note that the lights are brighter than expected, with a beam that stays low and focused across each step. This design ensures that night vision is not compromised, and the steps remain clearly visible without creating glare or harsh lighting. The warm white color temperature, rated at 3000 Kelvin, adds a welcoming ambience to outdoor spaces, enhancing both safety and the overall visual appeal of gardens, patios, decks, and porches. The lights are constructed from high-quality materials, including polycrystalline solar panels, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, and polycarbonate. The fully enclosed integrated design achieves an IP67 waterproof rating, which means the lights are protected against heavy rain, snow, and frost. Many reviewers have shared experiences of leaving the lights outside through harsh winters, including periods of freezing temperatures and snow coverage, with no decline in performance or durability. The solar panels are efficient enough to generate a sufficient charge even on cloudy days, ensuring reliable operation throughout the year. Installation is another area where the VOLISUN lights excel. No wiring is required, making them an ideal solution for those who want to upgrade their outdoor lighting without the hassle of electrical work. The lights can be installed using either the included 3M sticky tape or the provided screws and bolts, offering flexibility depending on the surface and desired permanence. Their compact size, measuring just over 3 inches in length and width, means they can be placed in tight spaces without obstructing foot traffic. The lights are especially well suited for mounting on garden stairs, patios, decks, porches, and sidewalks, with the triangular shape allowing for discreet corner placement. In terms of performance, users report that the lights consistently turn on automatically at dusk and remain illuminated well into the night, often lasting until dawn after a full day of charging. This reliability is a significant advantage over traditional low-voltage lighting systems, which require more complex installation and ongoing maintenance. The wireless, solar-powered design not only reduces installation costs, but also eliminates the need for ongoing electricity expenses, making these lights an economical choice in the long term. Safety is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many customers have expressed relief at the added visibility provided by the lights, particularly for stairs leading to decks, pools, or other elevated outdoor areas. The lights make it much safer to navigate these spaces after dark, reducing the risk of trips and falls for both children and adults. Some users have even noted that the lights have prevented potential accidents that had been a concern for years. Aesthetic enhancement is another benefit highlighted by reviewers. The lights create a soft, magical glow that not only improves safety, but also adds to the ambience of outdoor spaces. Whether used to line stairs, illuminate walkways, or accent garden features, the VOLISUN lights contribute to a more inviting and visually appealing environment. Several users have chosen to purchase multiple sets to achieve a uniform look across larger areas, such as placing lights on both sides of stairs or along the perimeter of a patio. Durability and longevity are generally strong points for the VOLISUN lights. Many users report that their lights have continued to function well after 1 or even 3 years of use, with minimal decline in brightness or battery performance. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures that the lights can withstand exposure to the elements, and the materials used in construction are resistant to fading and damage from UV rays. However, there are occasional reports of individual lights failing within the first year, with some users experiencing dimming or complete failure despite proper installation and care. In these cases, the manufacturer's 2-year satisfaction guarantee provides some reassurance, although a few customers have noted difficulties in reaching the seller for replacements. The lights are designed to be maintenance-free, with no need to replace batteries or bulbs. The average lifespan of the LEDs is rated at 50,000 hours, which should provide years of reliable service under normal conditions. The auto on-off functionality adds to the convenience, as users do not need to manually operate the lights each day. However, it is important to note that these lights are not equipped with motion sensors. They turn on automatically at dusk and remain on until the battery is depleted or daylight returns. For those seeking motion-activated lighting, these may not be the ideal choice. The VOLISUN lights are also praised for their versatility. While primarily designed for outdoor stair lighting, they can be used in a variety of applications, including deck and porch decoration, backyard and yard illumination, and even as accent lighting for garden features. The wireless, solar-powered design allows for creative placement without the constraints of power outlets or extension cords. Some users have even brought the lights indoors during the winter months, placing them on steps without adhesive for temporary use. From a value perspective, the VOLISUN outdoor stair lights are considered a bargain by many customers. The combination of bright, reliable illumination, easy installation, and low operating costs makes them a cost-effective alternative to traditional lighting solutions. The initial investment is offset by the savings on electricity and the elimination of wiring or professional installation fees. The lights are sold in packs of 12, providing enough coverage for most standard staircases or the flexibility to use them in multiple locations around the home. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where the lights could be improved. As mentioned earlier, occasional product failures have been reported, with some units failing to operate or becoming dim within the first year. While the 2-year warranty offers some protection, customer experiences with support have been mixed. Additionally, the lights are not as bright as some users might expect based on promotional photos. They provide sufficient illumination for safety and ambiance, but may not be suitable as the sole source of light for large or heavily trafficked areas. The lack of motion sensing is another limitation for those who prefer lights that activate only when movement is detected. Another consideration is the reliance on solar charging. While the panels are efficient and generally provide enough power even on cloudy days, prolonged periods of overcast weather or shaded installation locations can reduce the duration and intensity of illumination. For best results, the lights should be installed in areas that receive direct sunlight for several hours each day. Users who live in regions with long, dark winters or frequent inclement weather may experience reduced performance during certain times of the year. In summary, the VOLISUN Outdoor Stair Lights 12-pack offers a compelling combination of style, safety, and convenience for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. The lights are easy to install, require no wiring or ongoing maintenance, and deliver reliable, warm white illumination that improves both visibility and aesthetics. Their durable, weatherproof construction ensures long-lasting performance in a variety of climates, and the solar-powered design makes them an economical and environmentally friendly choice. While there are occasional reports of product failures and the lights may not be as bright as some users expect, the overall consensus is highly positive. Most customers are impressed by the value, performance, and versatility of these lights, making them a popular choice for stairways, decks, patios, and gardens. If you are considering upgrading your outdoor lighting, the VOLISUN Outdoor Stair Lights are a strong contender. Their combination of ease of use, durability, and attractive design makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. If you have experience with these lights, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.